Here's welcome back to another video. Today, I just found this secret place in Roblox in high school on Roblox. So I'll show you the place. So yeah, and my skin is looking better. I like the skins. Oh, it's by music. It's close to music. I just have to go down here. Oh wait, it was just cooking. It's so you go right here. This is just to show you where the secret place is. You go to the drama class, which is the auditorium. So yeah, you go over here. It's over here. You go over here. You get on here. There. And there's an invisible ladder. Then you can climb up here, and then I missed it. Then oh my god, why do I always get stuck? I always get stuck. I know. Oh my god. I almost did it. It won't let me out. I'm lagging really bad if I do this. Oh, now I'm up. So this is like the upside down world of what was that? Stranger Things. It's like Stranger Things. Cause I got the aliens and it's like the upside down world. Don't listen. I'm gonna eat it after. How much? So yeah, this is like Stranger Things, the upside down world with Demogorgon and all that creepy stuff. If you watch it, comment down below. If you haven't watched it, you should watch it. It's really good. It's where these 4 or 5 kids, I don't know. It's been a long time since I watched it. Like one day. Not just good. 3 months since I watched it. But yeah. I'm done. Yes. Crunch bar. I love this crunch bar. Don't look at me. So that was the end of the video. You can see this place. So yeah. Peace out, guys. I love this crunch bar so much. I wish I could keep it forever. Bye!